Hello. I'm doing this Rover because we couldn't afford the big one. Watch as I turn this pile of scrap into a lunar rover. Or is it lunar? Or is it Mars rover or lunar rover? Mars rover. One of them at least. Step.
That one's a little bit bigger.
What? It appears like it's set aside. I get this. Chest. Some weird stuff going on.
Carry marker.
That's not it. There you are. That goes there. Now this comes back. Just skewer that. Now this black doodad goes there. With another white doodad.
Oh dear Lord.
Yes, hi Marcus.
Oh. Did he just jump up there from the floor?
Yes, he did. That boy can jump.
He's got some spring in his. So he doesn't even need the chair.
No. That's hilarious.
Good Lord.
Can you pet him? Come and pet.
Come here, Marcus. You guys are fine.
Now we switch back to. That's not supposed to go in there.
Oh, your thing is the wrong way. I have to fix it.
What thing?
His collar. So they don't poke each other's eyes out. There you go.
They'll poke their eyes out, kid.
My goodness, Marcus. Yeah, I found this one for him. He wanted the bigger one that moves, but I couldn't afford that one. But we found this littler Mars rover.
You just won't take no for an answer.
Marcus? Lydia? Marshall?
The bonus dog footage.
What are we gonna do with you guys?
This goes on the back.
Really? Really?
Oh wait.
What are we gonna do with you guys?
So that goes like that.
What is he?
No comment.
Really?
Do you want me to make comments? So that gets set aside. Put in with another one of these. Oh, times 2.
My goodness.
What? What are we just sneezed on my ass? I have just been violated.
Oh, dear Lord. I don't think we're ever going to get a normal video.
No, and it's too late now. I'm already into it. This video brought to you by whatever our dogs do.
Oh, they're so cute, though.
Alright. So now we need another one of this. That. And that. That goes up here. Then where is this corkscrew thing? Alright, now we flip.
Oh, I thought this one might take you some time, but it doesn't look like it's going to take you too long.
Because I know what I'm doing. Sort of.
This one would probably take me a while.
It would be fun to watch. That and
Are you sure it's supposed to go in upside down?
Hmm?
Oh, maybe it's not upside down. Maybe that's just how it looks.
I missed a piece.
Yes, Marcus. My goodness.
Alright. Now the head goes back on. There's some talkative boys we have today. Okay, now I need a Y. Do I have something like that? Oh, okay, it's just this. I'm looking for a ball. No, that's gotta be right. Nope. Okay, there is actually. And now I do that again. Oh, I forgot to add this on that other one. No, ball.
You just gotta wait. It's not gonna take him much longer. He's moving pretty quick.
Blink. All right, now these go on either side with this.
I hope that's not in here.
What's not in where?
Marcus. Marcus is daddy's boy, and daddy is ignoring him right now, and he's not taking it very well.
Same thing happens.
Bless you. My voice. It is okay.
I'm being punched by little pawsies. Now I need to do the same thing for this side.
Yeah, don't overrule me.
This video is going to be great.
No. So this is what Mars rover you said?
Yes.
Okay.
I did that on the wrong side.
Marcus, it's okay. Why do you only give us problems when we sit down to do videos?
Because it's the best time to give us problems.
You're acting like we don't give you attention. We give you plenty of attention.
No, this one. There, now we gotta do the other side.
Oh, you're already on the last part?
Yeah, I'm just putting the tires on. I like.
Wait, there's 3 tires on each side?
Yes.
Oh.
We.
What about all these parts? Do they go on it too?
Apparently those are spares.
Spare parts? Okay, we'll do what we do with usually spares.
I'll throw them in my box.
Alright, so...
Bye.
Well, no, this is... That's,
Oh, they made a sneeze.
that's what we got, and...
Actually,
that's kind of cool.
a little modification. That makes it easier to spin.
Oh, there you go. So I guess that's everything today. See you later.
Bye.